Greetings, fellow pagan pals. There's one more day left on our spiritual cleansing journey, and we are on day 9. Foot cleansing has long been seen as a ceremonial and ritual preparation for cultures around the globe, so a foot bath is just the right thing to add to our journey. And to step it up a notch, we'll treat our tired pups to a little hot stone love. Be sure to set your slow cooker to low and wash and scrub your stones before using them to remove any dirt and oil. If you don't have a slow cooker, you can warm your stones on the stovetop and water on low. Grab a towel to wrap your stones in so they don't damage your cooker, and be sure to remove any jagged edge stones. You don't want those digging into your feet. Place the wrapped stones in the cooker and leave them in there for about 30 to 40 minutes to warm up. While we wait, let's prepare our foot bath mix. Start with 2 cups of dried milk and a half a cup of baking soda. The baking soda will help with any funky odors. If you want to add any EOs, add them here. Continue with a half a cup of Epsom salt, which will help with achiness, and a 1/4 cup of Himalayan salt. Your feet can actually absorb the minerals from the salt, so that's good. I'm also adding a 1/4 cup of Tapioca Starch. You can use cornstarch if you want, and I'm adding a 1/4 cup of clay. I'm using Kaolin Clay. Stir it all together until thoroughly combined, and then top it off with a 1/4 cup of dried flowers. I have lavender, chamomile, and rosebuds, very fragrant and soothing for your skin. Gently mix them together and then transfer into a storage container. Grab your foot bath vessel, and by now our stones should be warmed up. Be careful though and use tongs to pick them up and check them. They should be warm and able to handle. Line the bottom of your bath with stones. I have a separate jar of warm water. I first mixed enough bath powder in it to make it milky and then poured it over my hot stones, added a few drops of rose water, and that's it. Subscribe now, become a pagan pal, like up this video, and be sure to tune in for the last day of our 10-day spiritual cleansing journey. Bye!